I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I think that's somebody's smoke alarm coming from that house over there. You know, I saw somebody waving like a towel or something, so they must have smoke coming out. There's a smoke alarm going off. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's going off. Huh. Hopefully I'll get that under control. Now it just stopped. Here's something else also. Oh. Yeah, that was a smoke alarm going off in somebody else's house. So I hope they got that under control. So hopefully no fire department is called, because that would be bad.